Hey Mom, I got you in front of a lot of people. So we actually on the news. I just won an award for the Milken Foundation, which came with a huge cash prize and a trip to Las Vegas for being or I think LA for being an amazing teacher, and they want to know what you think of that.
Wait, can you say that again? I have you on speakerphone because I'm not home.
Yes, so I'm at my school and they just surprised us with the Milken Foundation, and it's a $25,000 check that comes along with a trip to LA for awesome teachers that are going to continue educating students, and they want to know what you think of that. And you're on the news.
Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, that's exciting. Congratulations. You so
Thank
deserve
you.
it.
Yay.
Oh my
Let
gosh.
her know that's a $25,000
Wow.
personal check for
Oh,
you.
yes, and it's a $25,000 personal check for me.
Oh my gosh, how exciting, Vanessa. You deserve this so much. You know what a difference you make in so many children's lives and families' lives. And I'm already gonna cry. I'm so proud of you as always. Congratulations.
Thank you. The first that no, I said no group call with Mom, Brian, and Alec. So, yay!
Oh my gosh.
I know.
How exciting. Oh my gosh,
I know.
congratulations.
Thank you,
Do you get
Mom.
to do you get to leave early?
I don't think so. All right, bye, Mom. I love you.
Okay. All right, love you too. Bye.
Bye. Woo.